Welcome to Slow English Listening. Hello, everyone. I am Lucas, and today we have a very important lesson. Tell me about yourself. Meeting new people is exciting. Today, you will see Lily and Jake. They have new neighbors, Sarah and Leo. You will learn how to talk about your name, your age, your job, and your hobbies in clear, slow English. Before we start, please click the like button and leave a comment below. It really helps our channel grow and helps us create more lessons for you. Thank you. Now, let's play the Red Error Challenge. In this story, there are 3 mistakes. Listen carefully. When a word turns red, it is a mistake. Can you find the correct word? Write your answers in the comments below. Are you ready to meet the new neighbors? Let's start the story.
Jake, look at this. I found a letter in our mailbox.
What is it, Lily? Is it a bill?
No, it is a beautiful card. It is an invitation.
An invitation? From who?
From our new neighbors. Their names are Sarah and Leo.
Oh, the people who moved into the yellow house.
Yes, they want to meet us. The card says, "Please come for tea and cookies this Sunday at 4 o'clock."
That is very friendly. I want to meet them too.
Me too. It is a great chance to make new friends.
Should we bring something?
Yes, let's bring some flowers and my favorite chocolate cookies.
Perfect. I am excited to meet Sarah and Leo. It is a beautiful sunny day to meet new people.
Yes, it is. I have the flowers and the cookies in this basket.
The cookies smell delicious, Lily. I hope Sarah and Leo like them.
I am a little nervous, Jake. What should we say?
Don't worry. We can just say, "Hello, we are your neighbors."
You are right. We can tell them about our house and our hobbies.
Look, there is the yellow house. It looks very nice.
And look at the garden. Sarah and Leo have many beautiful plants.
I think they are very friendly people.
Okay, we are here. Are you ready to knock on the door?
Yes, I am ready. Let's meet our new neighbors. Okay, here we are.
Oh, hello. Welcome to our home.
Hello there. We are so happy to see you. Please come in.
Hi, my name is Lily, and this is Jake. We live in the house across the street.
It is very nice to meet you, Sarah and Leo.
It is wonderful to meet you too. Thank you for coming.
We brought a small gift for you. Here are some fresh flowers and homemade cookies.
Thank you so much. That is very kind of you. We love flowers.
And the cookies look delicious. You are very thoughtful neighbors.
Please follow us. Let's go to the sunroom and have some tea.
That sounds like a great idea. Thank you for the invitation.
Please make yourselves comfortable. We are so glad you are here.
Yes, it is nice to have guests. My name is Leo and I am an architect.
That is very interesting, Leo. And what about you, Sarah?
Well, my name is Sarah, and I am a teacher. I love working with students.
That is a great profession. And how old are you both?
I am 35 years old.
And I am 200 years old.
Wait, did you say 200? That sounds very old for a teacher.
Wow, you look very good for someone who is 200 years old.
Ha ha, don't mind her. Sometimes she gets her numbers mixed up.
Oh, my mistake. I am sorry. I meant to say I am 30 years old.
That makes much more sense. 30 is a great age.
We are happy to know more about you. It is so nice to meet neighbors our age.
We feel the same way. Now let's talk more about our new life here.
As I mentioned, I am an architect. I design houses and big buildings.
That sounds like a very difficult job, Leo. Do you work in an office?
Yes, I have an office in the city, but sometimes I work here at home.
That is nice. What does your typical day look like?
I usually wake up early and drink a lot of coffee. Then I start drawing plans.
I see some drawings on the table. Are those for a new project?
Exactly! I am designing a new school for our local neighborhood.
He works very hard, but he loves seeing his buildings in real life.
It must be amazing to build something that people use every day.
It is! I really like my profession because it combines art and science.
That is inspiring. Maybe one day you can show us your office.
I would love to do that. You are welcome anytime.
It is so interesting to hear about your work. But what do you do for fun?
Oh, we have many hobbies. I love playing the piano and reading mystery books.
I like reading too. And what about you, Leo? What is your favorite hobby?
Well, in my free time, I really enjoy eating chairs.
I am sorry. Did you say you enjoy eating chairs? Like wooden chairs?
That is a very strange hobby, Leo. Are they tasty?
Oh, no, that is a big mistake. I am so sorry.
Ha ha ha! Leo, you always say the wrong word when you are tired.
I meant to say I enjoy eating cherries from our garden. I love fruit.
Oh, cherries. That is much better. I was very worried about your teeth.
We love fruit too. We have a big apple tree in our backyard.
That is wonderful. We can share our fruit and have a picnic together.
Since we are talking about food, I have a question. What do you like to do every day?
For example, I love drinking tea in the morning, but I don't like coffee.
I am the opposite. I like coffee, but I don't like tea very much.
I like going for a walk in the park. It is very quiet there.
That is nice. I don't like the park when it is rainy, but I love it when it is sunny.
Do you like watching movies in the evening?
Yes, we love old movies, but we don't like loud music at night.
We agree. We like a quiet house too.
It is great that we have the same preferences. We are going to be good neighbors.
I think so too. It is very easy to talk with you.
Since you lived here for a long time, we have some questions about the area.
Yes, we have this map of the neighborhood. Can you help us?
Of course, we know this place very well. What do you want to find?
Is there a good supermarket near our house?
Yes, there is a big supermarket just 2 blocks away. It is very cheap.
That is perfect. And what about a pharmacy? Is there one nearby?
Yes, there is a pharmacy next to the bank on the main street.
Oh, I see it on the map now. Thank you.
Is there a place where we can eat good pizza?
Oh, my favorite Italian restaurant is around the corner.
Great. We love Italian food. We can go there together next time.
That sounds like a wonderful plan. We would love to show you the best places.
Come outside. I want to show you our backyard and my new grill.
Wow, your garden is beautiful.
Thank you. Leo loves spending time out here.
Yes, it is my favorite place. I have a very big barbecue for cooking chairs.
Wait. Again with the chairs, Leo?
Are you planning to eat the furniture in the garden too?
Oh no, I did it again. I am so embarrassed.
He is practicing his English, but he is very hungry right now.
I meant to say it is a barbecue for cooking chicken.
Ha ha, that sounds much better. Chicken is delicious.
I am happy to hear that. I can help you with the grill next weekend.
That is a deal. No more chairs, only good food from now on.
Thank you so much for the tea and the great conversation.
It was so nice to finally meet you and Jake.
Yes, thank you for showing us your beautiful home and the backyard.
You are very welcome.
Can we exchange phone numbers?
Of course. My phone number is 555-0123.
Great, I am saving it now. I will send you a message later today.
We can start a group chat for our street.
That is an excellent idea, Jake. It is good for safety and for fun.
Well, we should go now. We need to prepare dinner.
Goodbye. Have a lovely evening.
See you soon, neighbors.
Goodbye, Sarah and Leo.
Welcome back. Now it is time for our mini quiz. I will say 3 sentences. You say yes if the sentence is correct or no if it is wrong. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Leo is an architect. Is it yes or no? The answer is yes. Leo designs big buildings. Number 2. Sarah loves playing the guitar. Is it yes or no? The answer is no. Sarah doesn't play the guitar. She loves playing the piano. Number 3. Lily and Jake live in a house across the street. Is it yes or no? The answer is yes. They are neighbors from across the street. How many did you get right? If you got 3, you are doing a great job. Now let's check the red error challenge answers. The first mistake: Sarah is 30 years old, not 200. The second mistake: Leo likes eating cherries, not chairs. The third mistake: the barbecue is for cooking chicken, not furniture. Did you find them all? Write your score in the comments. If you liked this video, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more lessons for you. Thank you for watching. Practice your English and see you soon. Goodbye.